अनडिफिटेड जीते हैं और अब आपने क्योंकि T20 वर्ल्ड कप भी जीते एज ए कैप्टन, आईसीसी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी भी जीत ली, अब आपका फ्यूचर प्लान क्या है?
अभी देखते हैं। दो आईसीसी ट्रॉफी जीतना टीम के लिए बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है एंड टू गो अनडिफिटेड इज अगेन आइसिंग ऑन द केक। ऐसा टूर्नामेंट मैंने बहुत कम टीम लोग को देखा है खेलते हुए जो अनडिफिटेड दोनों टूर्नामेंट जाके जीते। हमारे लिए सबसे ज़रूरी था कि यहाँ पर आके हम हमारी प्रिपरेशन करें, हम जो हमारे सामने है उसको खेले और हमने कंडीशंस को अच्छे से यूज़ किया और जीते। फ्यूचर प्लान कोई फ्यूचर प्लान है नहीं भाई, जो चल रहा है वो चलेगा।
वो फाइनल से अपने इन 2 फाइनल्स में क्या?
नहीं देखिए, वहाँ भी फाइनल हार गए हम 23 में 50 ओवर वर्ल्ड कप। 9 गेम हमने इतना ज़बरदस्त खेला था, तो हमने उसी माइंडसेट से, उसी इंटेंशन से, उसी गेम प्लान से हम फाइनल भी खेलने गए थे। तो उसमें ऐसा सीखने जैसा कुछ था नहीं। हमने कम रन बनाए थोड़े और उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छी बैटिंग की। 3 विकेट उनके गिर गए थे 40 रन पे, बट हम वहाँ पे उसके बाद विकेट नहीं ले पाए, तो उसी वजह से हम हार गए। बट अगेन हमने इस चीज़ के बारे में बात की थी कि गेम जब तक ख़त्म नहीं होता है तब तक उसको छोड़ो मत। तो ये दोनों फाइनल जो हमने खेले, हमने यही बात की कि 50 ओवर तक, 100 ओवर्स तक हमको गेम में रहना है और गेम आखिरी तक लेके जाना है।
कांग्रेचुलेशंस रोहित, आज खुश तो बहुत होंगे आप।
बहुत खुश हूँ।
अच्छा, out of the 4 now, coming back to the serious mode, out of the 4 ICC tournament you have won 2 titles and in the other 2 you lost in the finals to Australia and in the WTC. So it shows that India is competing in all the formats in a very with a very high standard, because they are either winning the titles or they are going to the finals. So how difficult it was to develop such a team over the period of so many years?
No, it obviously, it's just not me. The lot of the captains who've played before me, captained the team before me, a lot of credit goes to them as well. A lot of the coaches who have come before, Gautam Gambhir, Rahul Dravid, and all of these guys, so credit goes to everyone. India is a bloody good team, without a doubt. In the last 3 or 4 years, we managed to play finals of all ICC tournaments. So I'm really, really proud being a captain of this team, because and even though we didn't win the World Cup in 23, but to play the finals of all 4 trophies was really, really good, and shows how consistent we are as a team as well. You lose one series here and there, it doesn't mean that the team is bad or things are not happening in the right, things are not going in the right direction. It happens. Everybody is allowed to lose, and we lost a series in India against New Zealand, the Test series. But that happens. It's like every time we take the field, we are meant to win everything. But that is not going to happen. This is a sport that we play. There are opposition who are also trying their best to beat us. And you got to give credit to sometimes the opposition as well when they play good cricket. Not just look at the faults that we have. Sometimes you get beaten, sometimes you get outclassed by the opposition, and we got outclassed by the opposition in Australia and New Zealand. But that doesn't mean this team is bad. The last 3-4 years will show the kind of consistency this team has had.
कैप्टन, ये 2024 जो वेस्ट इंडीज़ में कैंपेन था, और इस कैंपेन में एक चीज़ सिमिलर दिखी कि टीम काफ़ी रिलैक्स थी, ऐसा लग रहा था कि बर्डन ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशन से दूर है, वो एक फैक्टर था। दूसरी चीज़, आपने वनडे वर्ल्ड कप से पहले ही कहा था कि आपके लिए आईसीसी वर्ल्ड कप का मतलब वनडे वर्ल्ड कप है। अब 2 आपने जीते हैं, एक T20 वर्ल्ड कप और ये वनडे का ही ट्रॉफी है, तो उसका क्या बराबर कह सकते हैं, या फिर अभी भी आपको लगता है कि नहीं, वनडे का ही वर्ल्ड कप सबसे बड़ी?
नहीं, आपके सामने जो टूर्नामेंट्स आते हैं आईसीसी के, वो आप जीतने की कोशिश करते हो। वनडे वर्ल्ड कप इज़ वनडे वर्ल्ड कप, क्योंकि हम छोटे से, मैंने यही चीज़ कही थी कि बचपन से हम 50 ओवर वर्ल्ड कप ही देखते आ रहे हैं। तभी कोई T20 वर्ल्ड कप या टेस्ट चैम्पियनशिप्स या आईसीसी चैम्पियंस ट्रॉफी होता नहीं था। तो इसीलिए मैंने उस टाइम पे ऐसा क्या कहा था कि हमारे लिए तो वो 50 ओवर वर्ल्ड कप जैसा है, बट इसमें कोई कमी नहीं है। ये भी, अरे आप मुझे पूछो क्या कितना वो लगता है ये जीतने के लिए। नहीं, देखिए, ट्रॉफी तो ट्रॉफी है। आप कोई भी फाइनल्स जीतो, आपको बहुत प्राइड फील होता है। और मुझे ही नहीं पूरे टीम को, पूरे नेशन को आज बहुत खुशी फील हो रही होगी, क्योंकि फाइनल किसी भी टूर्नामेंट का जीतना बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है। तो बस यही कहूँगा। नहीं, एटमॉस्फेयर हमने काफ़ी रिलैक्स्ड ही था, मतलब हम अननेसेसरी चीज़ों के बारे में सोचते नहीं है, अननेसेसरी चीज़ों के बारे में ज़्यादा गौर नहीं करते। टीम का एटमॉस्फेयर अच्छा रखना एक बहुत बड़ी चीज़ होती है। कोई भी टूर्नामेंट में आप खेलते हो, वैसे भी टूर्नामेंट का इतना बड़ा प्रेशर होता है, तो आप ट्राई करते हो कि रिलैक्स करो। हमने काफ़ी टीम इवेंट्स किए, वहाँ पे काफ़ी टीम का माहौल अच्छा था। हमने ट्रेनिंग सेशन जो हम करते हैं उसमें हम काफ़ी इन्जॉय करते हैं। तो हमारा ये काफ़ी सालों से ये कोशिश रहा है कि रिजल्ट्स ऊपर नीचे हो, बट एक जो एटमॉस्फेयर की हम बात करते हैं, एक जो ड्रेसिंग रूम, खुशहाल ड्रेसिंग रूम की बात करते हैं, वो कंसिस्टेंटली हमको रहना है, और ताकि लड़के ज़्यादा यहाँ वहाँ की सोचे नहीं, रोल में अपने क्लियर रहे और जाके अपना काम करते रहे।
Rohit, you spoke of the consistency, 4 ICC finals, so many years. So how is it, how difficult it is to maintain that consistency, to stop, from the team being stagnated. So collective hunger, how to get that collective hunger from the entire team?
No, look, guys in the squad are quite matured, and they want to make the most of their time playing for India. So there's not too much work that is done there. At the end of the day, you're representing your country, and everyone understands that. So that is not where I come into play. My job is to make sure that whoever we pick to play, gets the job done for the team. Like I said, there is a lot of hunger, even for the guys who have played a lot of cricket. So obviously it rubs down to a lot of younger players as well. If they see some of their other senior members, showing that hunger and going out there and doing the job again and again, it shows that this is how this team is built, and this is how we want to play our cricket, with a lot of hunger and a lot of passion. So that these things are not supposed to be taught. It is, natural, very natural to a lot of guys. And luckily, in the squad we've got 5 or 6 guys who are real stalwart of this game, and then their attitude, their hunger, their passion rubs down to the other guys as well. So that makes the job a little easier for all of us.
Yeah, Rohit, you and Shikhar Dhawan had a good hit as openers, more than 5,000 runs, popularly known as the Gabbar Hitman opening pair. Now it's happening with Shubman Gill. Today was the 7th 100+ stand. So what is that you look forward to in your opening partner? The understanding you had, how long does it take for the rapport actually to build a partnership?
No, it's been a while now since I've been batting with Gill, and he's got so much class about his batting, and then it's in between for both of us. It's just about having that constant communication of how to take the game forward, and building that partnership. When we are batting together, obviously both of us like to play shots. He likes to pierce the ground, pierce the field, and I like to go aerial. So it actually works both ways, and works well for the team as well, which is why there's been a lot of consistency in our partnership. And Gill, to be honest, understands his game really well, and he's a very, very good player for us. Over the years, you've seen how consistent he's been, and that is what matters. If you understand your game and you have constant communication in the middle, that's about it.
Right, you obviously had difficult times personally against New Zealand in the Test series you mentioned, and then Australia. How satisfying was it to take the trophy with the Indian crowd chanting your name at the end there?
No, absolutely satisfying. Look, New Zealand is a very, very steady team. There is no doubt about it. You see the ICC knockouts, New Zealand is there. And they are one of the consistent team over the decade now, maybe more. We have to be, we made sure that we are right up there with our skill set against that team because, you know, this is a very clinical team, New Zealand, and, you know, they understand their game really, really well, and they know how to play in big pressure games. So very, very satisfying to beat them, honestly, you know, and to get the result in our favor.
Rohit, we've used the word consistent a lot in the last sort of 15 minutes or so. How satisfied are you with the consistency in selection?